welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be creating this look for you guys. I have on me right now. I know this is pretty ham, but it's pretty easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do this eye look and this bloody heart kind of thing on my face. If you want to know how to create this look, keep on watching. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays, and you don't know who I am. Hey guys, my name is Eva and I upload every Tuesdays and Thursdays. I literally just said a few minutes ago. Anyways, let's get on with the video and yeah.
When you say it like that, oh.
So the first thing that you will need is a sticker book. Jokes. Well, basically I have this sticker book from like 5 years ago, basically. I don't know. But I'm gonna where's the paint? Basically, I'm gonna be using a heart sticker, like really small one, to put on my eyes so we can get like this heart over here. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So yeah, that should be good for the time being. So I'm gonna be using the Nicole Concealio palette. As always, I love this palette. The two shades I'm gonna start off is with Daisy and Bruh. So just mix them two and just use it as a transition shade. So the first shade I'm gonna go in is with Pizza, and I'm just gonna go all over the crease area. So after with that, I'm gonna go into Mars and apply that shade to the area I applied the Pizza shade, so the crease area. So after using that, I'm gonna go with blue and just apply that on the crease area also. We're just gonna apply it all over here just to give it some color. Then I'm gonna take more of a flat brush and I'm gonna go with chocolate and apply that color to the inner and outer area of my crease. Inner and outer crease, basically.
Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never.
Then I'm gonna go in with a little bullet blending kind of brush, as you can see over here. And I'm gonna go in with the color Mars and Hey Girl, Hey. And just apply that under that lash line. So then I'm gonna go in with this flat concealer brush, as you can see, and the LA Girl concealer. What I'm gonna do right now is just apply the concealer to the middle of the eyelid, basically. And we're going to basically carve this area, basically, kind of. Because we're gonna be putting like a glitter-based eyeshadow and we want it to stand out, so we're just going to do this like so. Then I'm gonna take some setting spray and a small brush and just spray it so it is wet. Then we're gonna go in with the shade Glorious, I'm pretty sure that's how you say it, and we're gonna apply that to where we put the concealer on our eye.
Time is barely on our side.
We're also gonna apply the shade to the inner of our eye, so like so. We're also gonna apply some of the shade under the eye. Then I'm gonna take my white eyeliner, and this is by NYX. So where we created the line with the concealer, basically, as you can see, kind of like a little line over there, we're going to put eyeliner over there with this one, like basically use a white eyeliner. So yeah, we're gonna try and do this to this eye. So wish me good luck. Thank you. So your line should look somewhat like so. So then we're gonna go and we're going to outline the heart also, and take your time with this because this could get pretty messy. So your eye should look somewhat like so. So then I'm gonna go in with my Inglot Cream White and Black, and I'm gonna put the black on my upper waterline and this is my lower waterline. So I'll be right back with this, and I'm also gonna be applying that an eyelash to my eye, and yeah, I'll be right back with you guys. Bam! So this is the finished look for the eye. I also did my lips. I never usually do my lips because I feel like I just look terrible in lips, like with lip colors and stuff. I don't know. But if you want to know the combo for this, I use the Inglot Soft lip liner in the shade 63, and then I use the Jouer Rose Gold lip topper. So that's the combo for the lips. Honestly, I don't really know if I like the lips, but I'm gonna leave it on just because of the look. In my videos, I've talked about doing some special effects because I'm like a special effects kind of person. I don't know, but I'm gonna do some special effects for you guys today in this video also, just because I like special effects and I said I would start doing them, so that's what I'm gonna do today. So I'm gonna just show you the products I'm gonna use, and then throughout the video I'll just talk about them too. So I'm gonna use a palette type of thing because I like to apply my products onto it. Also, I like to keep some baby wipes with me because I will need to wipe off my scraper because I'll be using it for a lot of things today. I'm also going to be using the Sculpt Gel. I'm going to be using A and B, not C, so yeah. I'm also going to be using the Kryolan Super Color palette. In this palette, I'm pretty sure I'm just going to be using the red shade or wineish shade, purplish shade, I don't know. But I'm pretty sure I'm just going to be using that color today. I do not have a color that is red, so I'm just going to be using a red lipstick, so yeah. Last but not least, I'm going to be using the Scab Blood from Makeup. I said this earlier, I'm going to be using a scraper and just going to use some brushes. So with the A and B formula, you have to use the right amount for the A and B, so you have to make sure you pick up the right amount from the bottom of the tubes, and then you have to mix it up. I took a different spatula and just kind of mixed it up with my scraper kind of thing, my mop, and yeah, that is what I got. I also scraped out the purple and the red kind of colors onto a different spatula because we do not want to mix these two together. So I'm gonna go with the purpley shade first, and I'm going to dab the product on where I want my hearts. I'm gonna be doing hearts on my face, so I'm gonna be using that after, but I'm just gonna apply this product on where I want the hearts. So I definitely want one here, 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 here. So what we're gonna do next is blend this color into our skin so it looks more realistic. I am gonna be using my finger and my brushes, so you can do that also. But then I'm gonna go in with my red and also dab some product onto that. You can use your finger or brush, like I said earlier. Then I'm gonna take this kind of small brush, as you can see, and I'm gonna go in with some of this Sculpt Gel. I'm gonna pick up some Sculpt Gel and just start sculpting love hearts on the areas we applied color on. Okay guys, so this is how it should look. I'm going to be setting the hearts because the texture is still sticky and you do need to set it. So if you don't and you put product on top, it's just gonna get really messy. So I'm just gonna be using the Rimmel Stay Matte and just a brush, and I'm gonna just dab the product on. Don't swirl, just dab and it'll be fine. So as you can see, I'm just dabbing it. Make sure you do let it set for a while, so when you do this it won't stick. So we're going to be filling in the hearts with the purple shade that we used earlier for the dabbing of underneath the color. So just fill in it like so. So then we're gonna go with Scab Blood, and that just is going to make the look bomb.com. So I'm just gonna take a brush and I'm just gonna dab take some product up and dab the blood onto the hearts like so. I'm gonna take some blood, dab it all around the heart like so. So I'm gonna put the blood in the heart and outside the heart and just dab that everywhere. Now if you wanted, guys, you could always just leave the look out and not do the special effect, but I wanted to do some special effects for you guys, so that's what I am doing right now. Now I wasn't gonna use any of the film blood, but I'm gonna take some film blood and mix it with the purpley shade, so the blood will look more like so rather than really bright red. Now with this blood, I'm just gonna apply it into the inner part of the heart, so it looks like they were bleeding and they're not like just dry looking kind of. And you can kind of see the outline more with this rather than just leaving it with the scab blood. So this is the final look of the hearts bleeding with the eye makeup. So yeah, this is looking pretty different. It's something different. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So with this look, you can either just keep the eyes for the look. You literally could wear the eye look out anywhere, just be glam. Or if you want to go scary, low-key and stuff, you can do the hearts on yourself if you want. Damn. You don't have to go that extreme with the blood, but I kind of went ham because I love special effects and like the blood and all that jazz. So yeah, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe right down below and like, comment and all that jazz. And yeah, and I'll see you guys on Thursday. Have a great Valentine's Day and skadoodles.